Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Wednesday, May 18th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. We had Fed Day today. Fed Day, crude, crude rollover, and the oil report. We didn't take anything in crude today. We did take a good trade in gold. Unfortunately, we got out of it. Most of us got out of it anyway. I'm not going to count the trade, but we did get short at 176.2 on a ZL. I told everybody that once we were in it and it printed above 1277, I said, you can stick with the trade if you want, but it's probably better let it come back down. Let's just get out of the trade and look for something else. Obviously sticking with it would have been great. It went about 60 ticks, but again, because it was right in the morning, right after the open, I didn't know what else we'd have. I opted to just kind of call that one off. I told our mentoring students if they wanted to stay in, they could stay in, but call room guys, it was called off for. A couple of people did stay in, but it's probably the one thing today the only thing I wish I would have done was keep us in that one, because that was a beautiful trade. But we moved on. We had a small trade on the ES. We had a ZL short at 20:43, 9 o'clock. I told everybody this one may only work for a point to 2 points. It was potentially going to just pause around here and then continue on up. So lock in more profits at a point. Go to entry. And if it keeps coming, it keeps coming. If it doesn't, then it takes us out on any runner at entry. But we at least profit on our first batch that we took off. So small winner there of a point. Then the market came up. We had a power play that was along at 2050. That one worked out for up to 2 points. Okay, that was at 924. Then we had an RS that was at 2046.75, 2047 area there. And that one worked out for up to 2 points. A lot of people got a point and a half, up to 2 points though on that one. And then the final trade we had was another power play at 2050, 1033, and again that one worked out for 2 points up to our target of 2/4. Everybody was able to get filled at 2 points because it printed it to the tick. And then we just had to close the room because that was the end of it. Anybody who had a runner left, I said go to entry, okay, or just get out of the trade because it doesn't have to go any higher. And if you want to stay in with something, have 90% of your contracts off, go to entry with your runner, and either it keeps going or it doesn't. We knew that it had to get above this line, and our next target was 55.25. And then we had a little bit higher too, and again you'll see that was the high. We closed the room right here, and it did actually go and hit that before the 5 minutes over here, but that was way an hour and a half into lunch, and that was the day. So we had 4 winners in the ES, nothing too dramatic, point or two on each trade, but there was 4 winners, no losers. And again, this gold trade we had got out of, so a 5th trade, but we called it off at break even. And in hindsight, we could have stayed with that. But try to do the best thing at the time and keep people safe. So we're going to come back and do it all over again tomorrow. Until then, have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow.